have to check these matrices on Instagram, reach from your non-followers, and you can easily find it from the insights tab. If your reach from followers are higher and your non-followers are lower, that technically means that Instagram is not pushing your content to test outside your base, and that is very, very important for your account to keep on growing. Number two is saves to reach ratio or shares to reach ratio. Total number of reach, total number of views makes no sense if the funnel down is not having any saves or any shares. In fact, you should definitely be checking your views to follows ratio as well. And generally, in my practice, whenever I have seen other channels as well, I have noticed that if you close a loop in a content, the reason for someone to follow is lesser. If you don't close a loop in a content, you keep an open loop, the chances of that person to come on your Instagram page and look for more is very, very high. Number three is average watch time. Extremely important. On YouTube, you have something called your retention rate, APV, which is average percentage viewed. It is also called AVD, which is average view duration. On Instagram, you can see a graph. Note down where the graph is falling. Note down where people are skipping. Make notes. What is the thing that you said? What was the shot? What was the B-roll? Or if you made a delivery which was pretty flat, and make those notes and keep on becoming better. I'll be putting out more matrices in some other videos next time.